Hello, my name is Eileen Noyer. I'm an artist and a member of Rancho Cordova Arts, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how I wire my canvases. And here is a very quick example. So that's what we'll be learning today. I hope you find the tutorial helpful and that you have a lovely rest of your day. Bye. Okay, for this tutorial you will need some wire. I like to use the super soft strand wire. It makes such a difference when it's plastic coated. So there's that. You'll need D-rings ideally, and the screws. I use this this pack here, which I found on Amazon. I think it's absolutely terrific. You'll also need a pencil and a pen and a ruler, then a screwdriver and wire cutters. You'll also need tape of some kind for the very end so you can tape down the ends. Okay, so I always like to start with putting down my details and signing the canvas, and then we'll get started on doing the wiring.